roses na tayo?
Okay, yung mga first dances of Irene.
Okay, so ready na po ang ating 18 roses?
Yung mga 18 roses, pwedeng we could be ready. Parang pila na tayo.
Pila na po lahat ng 18 roses here. I-roll pa po ba? Roll pa tayo. Okay. Sinasa ng 18 roses natin dyan. Okay, so Dr. Ivan Richard A. Viray, of course.
Lieutenant George Cal Ortiz.
Mr. Ian Ronan A. Viray.
Dr. Arnie Cal Ortiz.
Mr. Arnold Cal. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Mr. Joey Lugtu.
Mr. Renz Carlo Reyes.
Mr. Kyle Adriel Combe.
Mr. Mark Angelo Clemente.
Mr. Juan Carlos Mendoza.
Mr. John Edward Cabigpi.
Mr. Eldridge Sanders de los Reyes.
Mr. John Israel San Luis.
Mr. Alan Angelo Manuel.
Apo. Mr. Jay Yango.
Mr. Patrick Angelo Pineda.
Mr. Kevin Del Rosario.
Mr. Dennis Cal Ortiz.
In behalf
of Mr. Phil Marvin Ralph D. Cal Ortiz.
And Mr. Yves Rustan Sira. Okay.
So parang rehearsal lang po ito.
Okay. Nag-request sa Irene if after your name would be called, a short message, diba? And a simple kiss and a hug as well would be appreciated by her.
Okay, wag lang sa lips kasi nakabantay si Dr. Iron. Hindi pwede.
Lahat na lang sa lips.
Okay. So wag po natin iiwanan ang ating debutant while dancing. Kaya hindi po natin siya iiwanan. Okay? So, music, please. For the debutant's first dance, you have Dr. Ivan Richard A. Viray. Dr. Ivan is the proud father of the debutant. Irene describes him as a great achiever in whatever field he went through or pursued. He is practicing medical legal officer in Bulacan and Valenzuela City.